welcome to another project of mine. This time I'm gonna upcycle an empty candle container. I have so many, so I decided to use them for some of my projects. So firstly, on this one I am adding some mold from Stamperia, and this one is houses, and I added it all the way around the candle holder. Then I let it dry, and after the clay part was dry, I painted it all with black paint, and of course I wiped off any excess of the paint with wet towel before the paint was dry. And of course, as usual, all materials I use will be listed in description box below, and this one is a very quick one, so you can see that it's really easy to make a nice decor from a candle holder. So after the paint was dry, it was time to seal it. So for this I am using matte varnish. Of course you can use glossy one as well, and of course the varnish is water-based. After that was dry, I applied some Backspace on it as well, a different kind of Backspace. You can use it as flower container, but I use it to make a Christmas centerpiece. And here it is all finished. It was a gift. And if you like this very quick video how to upcycle a candle container, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a nice comment or thumbs up. Until next time, bye.